How's it going, Doug? This is Jordan with Clement in Columbia, Illinois. I saw you inquired about our Ram 3500 all the way from Minneapolis. I just wanted to send you this video and give you a better, more in-depth look of it. What a wonderful dually truck. This does have the 6.7 liter inline 6 turbo diesel Cummins. You won't find a better engine on the market than what we got running in this truck. So much so that we are so confident in it, we'll give you a 30-year, 300,000 mile warranty on it. Anything that's powertrain or lubricated is covered. And just an absolutely sharp looking truck. You got your running boards, infotainment center with all kinds of customable widgets, all kinds of sweet features in this truck. Now, I'm 292 pounds, Doug, so I ain't no small boy. Whenever I tell you I got room in here, this thing's like a house on wheels. It's got real tight steering. It's just absolutely smooth to drive. It's impossible to not feel like the boss while you're riding around in this truck. I appreciate you watching my video, Doug. I say I'm looking forward to meeting with you today at 5. Have a great rest of your day, brother.